Hi, I'm Amber of WTI, and if you're looking for a really great protein bar, this is it. NuGo's dark chocolate chip. This bar is so good. The dark chocolate on the outside perfectly complements the crunchy texture inside. There's soy crisp and rice crisps inside, so you have the crunchy texture almost like a Rice Krispie square, and then the dark chocolate on the outside. And the fact that this has 12 grams of protein blows me away. Do not taste a single ounce of protein powder. It is so delicious. This is a great snack for on the go. I definitely recommend. This is non-GMO certified and it's gluten-free, so I don't have to worry about it irritating my sensitive stomach, but it's something that's going to be very filling for me on the go and actually feel like a treat. So I'm a huge fan of this bar, the NuGo Dark, and that is my point of view.